welcome back to Hazardous Hide. Today we're going to shoot the Can Cut Challenge with our factory Ruger 1022. Now this is about as factory as it gets. I have done a mag release upgrade and a tandem cross safety upgrade, but that's it. Everything else is just as it came. Although I did free float the front barrel. If you guys know this band, it pushes down on there. So underneath here, on the stock, I free floated it, but it's the same lock, same bolt, same everything in there. We do have a Discovery Optics 6-24 optic on there, scope. It's actually not a bad deal and really reasonable for the money. So if you're looking for a budget scope that does good, I have no affiliation, but check them out. I'm real pleased with it so far. We're going to be shooting it all season, so we'll see more about it in the end. Let's see what we can do at cutting our can in half. I've got 60 rounds loaded up, and let's see, yeah, 20, 40, 60 rounds loaded up. Hopefully we can do it in less than 50. That's the goal. Let's see how we do. This stock is it's so tempting for me to replace, you can't believe it, but we're going to shoot it factory. Pretty accurate so far. Oh, that turned it. It's a little harder to keep that same line across it, but I think I know where I'm at. All right, that's the first 10. Is this target ammo, that round bullet nose, it's not really tearing the can. That's going to consume more rounds without a doubt. It seems to be the case with the watercolor pellets and the air gun stuff. It's tearing it more, and that really helps to reduce the round count. Cut it. All right, that's the first 20. Pretty good job tearing it up. The problem is it looks like Swiss cheese, and that means there's a lot of pieces that will hang on and keep you from completing it. Another one. There we go. Oh, that's 30. Oh, all right, that's our first 40. All right, we've got at least 2 rounds left. Yeah, we got 2 rounds left. Put this thing on safety, stand by. I'm going to take a quick look. 2 little skinny spots left and 2 bullets. I think that's one of them. Oh, look at that. Look at that, almost. That was 50. We're really close with a factory gun. 51 chambered. Oh, that's so close. 52. Oh, I missed that one. 53. There we go. 53 shots with a factory Ruger. That's pretty good. Shooting at least semi-automatic bench rest. I hope you outlaw. Hope you like this. If you do, Give me a like and subscribe, but more importantly, go out there and try this challenge. It's a lot of simple fun. 50 yards with a 22 long rifle or PCP air rifle, 7 yards with a Springer or air piston, pellet or BB gun. Get out there and have some fun. If you like this, give me a like, subscribe, and we'll catch you later.